Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide your followers from your Facebook timeline. So in order to do this, click on these three vertical lines present at the top right corner of the screen. Then you need to click on the settings toggle icon. Then once you're inside the settings and privacy page, you need to scroll down until you see this option which says followers and public content. Click on this option and here you can see the first option which says who can see your followers on your timeline. So you need to tap this and it will give you two further options. The first option was the public option where it will be enabled for all on and off Facebook. The second option is that it will only restrict to your friends, and that in the third option it will hide from anyone. So if you want to hide your followers on your timeline, you may choose this third option. Then once you have done this, simply click on the save button at the bottom, and here you can see that this setting has been successfully implemented. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.